Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check the CPU temperature on Windows 11. Windows 11 does not have a built-in tool that shows the exact CPU temperature, so the easiest way is to use a free program called HWMonitor. Open your web browser and search for HWMonitor. Click on the official website of CPU ID. On the download page, choose the setup version so it installs directly. Once the download is finished, run the installer and follow the steps on screen to install it. After the installation, open HWMonitor. The program will start scanning your computer hardware right away. You will see a list of components, including your CPU, graphics card, and hard drives. Look for the section that says CPU. Under it, you will find several temperature readings. The important ones are listed in Celsius, usually with 3 values. The current temperature, the minimum temperature since the program started, and the maximum temperature. This shows you how hot your processor is running right now, how cool it has been, and how hot it got under load. HWMonitor updates the values in real time, so you can leave it open while running your programs to see how the temperature changes. That is all you need to check your CPU temperature on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.